video, we're getting into my straight natural hair routine. How do I maintain this bad boy? What all have I been doing? So this is going to be a really cool video for anyone who does straighten their natural hair, or even if you don't, but you want to just be a little nosy. I understand, sis, okay? So before I go ahead and get into today's video, if you are new to your girl's channel, make sure to do one thing and one thing only, okay? And that is to smash that button down below. The audacity! Smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hey, like you mean it, and join the CurlieCrys fam. So, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. As you guys can see, my hair most definitely has gotten more texture, not as straight as it used to be. Most definitely more oily than when I first got it done, which I feel like is expected. This is like the real of this straight natural hair. Also in the back, it's gotten a little frizzy. Like, I have been going through it basically with this hair, trying to figure out, okay, what all should I be doing? So I'm going to share with you guys what all I have been doing up to this point. And then in today's video, I'm going to be using some dry shampoo and conditioner. And then I want to do a different little style to possibly get some texture into this hair to wear for the next few days. So on my day-to-day routine, what I do is wrap my hair at night, sleep with a satin scarf, and then take it down in the morning. And my hair is just straight. But the thing about it, y'all, is I do not know why, but Austin has been having rain every single day since I've gotten my hair straightened. And we never have rain. So by it always being rainy, I have to keep my hair wrapped. So it kind of accumulates oils, you know? So that sucks because I'm like, y'all, I live in Austin, Texas, not New Orleans anymore. Why is it raining so much? So because of that, my hair has gotten a little bit more oily. And also I think yesterday when I went out, I didn't realize it was raining and I had my hair down. So it kind of got a little wet, I think, in the back. And it's just been, I also worked out with my hair. And if you guys want to see how I did that, I did make a video on that. It's a vlog. I'm not sure if it's up by now or not. But keep an eye out for that and just that whole process and everything. So that's basically how I've been maintaining it up until now. Also, when it did get a little bit frizzy, I put some oil sheen on it by Afro Sheen and I wrapped it on up, and that did help for sure. But what I want to do in today's video specifically is I went to Target and I got some products for this hair. So I got some dry shampoo and dry conditioner. I want to just see like what all these products will do for my hair as far as maintaining it, because it is a little bit oily. So I feel like if you do straighten your hair, you're going to encounter it being oily. So I think this would be a really good remedy for that, because these products do not contain water. Now, the thing that I really did like about this one, so this is the Love Beauty and Planet Miramu Butter and Rose Oil Absorbing Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I really do like their laundry detergent, and I just really like this scent, so I wanted to pick this up and just give it a try. I heard Natural Nisi, I saw her video on how she maintained her straight hair, and she used these waterless products. So this is the dry shampoo one, and then I also got the dry conditioner. And then I want to do a style that I also saw Natural Nisi do. Let's go ahead and get into this though, because I'm really excited. But you guys can most definitely see how oily like my hair is, right? Like it's super oily, and it gets stringy whenever it's oily, so I don't like that. Alright, I'm moving a little bit closer so you guys can see everything. And the instructions on these say to shake and then spray like 10 to 12 inches away, and then brush it on out and go on with your best life. So that's exactly what we're about to do today. And of course, y'all, we don't be using no dry shampoo on our hair because we black. So this is most definitely a once in a lifetime or only when my hair is straightened type of thing, if you catch my drift. But y'all, one thing about these, why are these bottles still empty? Or like a fourth full? Maybe just like the isobutane and the air in the bottle, but I need all of my products, okay? Alright, so this is what this section looks like right now. And what I'm going to do is, it says 10 to 12 inches away. First of all, let me see it come out this can. Oh. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. I love this scent. Ooh, it kind of does feel like it wets the hair a little bit. Is there water in here? Okay. No, there's no water in here. Okay. What's the verdict? What's the verdict? Whoa. That actually got a lot of that moisture on up out of there. Look at that. Yes. Now I'm gonna spray my scalp, it said. And y'all, one thing about it, my scalp has been itching. Okay, I can see a huge difference. Like, do y'all see the difference that I'm seeing? Like, it's so much more airy, not as oily. I like this a lot. Woo! You got straight hair, go pick it up. Wow. That is nice. So I was only going to use this dry shampoo if I did not like the Love Beauty Planet. But I love it, so I'm not going to use that one. So this one's supposed to help with frizzing, and this is the Waterless Dry Conditioner Instant Moisture. This one smells good too. All right. This is it! Y'all, yes, I am loving how that looks. It most definitely took that oil out. Like, y'all can already see just from this to this, like this is less shiny, more like natural, and this is like way down oily. Period. Poo. So now I'm gonna do the front section and we can see the before, how it's like oily and way down. Let's go to work, baby. And y'all, it really does feel like at first it's like making your hair wet. Okay, I still feel like it's pretty oily right now, so I'm gonna spray some more. I need to get these roots too. All right, what y'all think? What y'all think? I do see less oil. Let me know. Drop in the comments right now if y'all see the difference. Because that's what I want to know. Do y'all see the difference? Oh, y'all, look at that. I feel like that's way less oily than we were working with before. Y'all see how oily this is? Oily, oily, oily. Not as oily. So, I finished spraying and this got on my head. I'm not sure where it came from, but I wanted to make note of that. So I basically just like scrub that little stuff off of my forehead. This is what it looks like after I finish. So the next thing I want to do is the twisting process. So I split my hair into 4 sections, and then in the back I'm going to take this section and then start to curl or bantu knot, I guess you can call it, like this. I hope this comes out cute. And then I'm going to wrap it around like this. Now I'm going to take one of these little scrunchies, ties, and do like that. So keep it like that. And then do the same thing up here. See y'all how it's kind of like grayish at my roots up there? Alright, so I'm going to take this. Y'all, I got straight hair. And I'm going away from my face. Alright, and then I'm going to wrap this around. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So this is how it looks once I'm finished. I'm going to raise this back one a little bit higher so that it matches this height. Boom, much better. So I'm gonna wear it like this for about a day. I'm honestly hoping for the best. We're just gonna have to wait and see, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see what it's looking like. So it's the next day, fam, and I have let this sit for a little bit under 24 hours. So let's go ahead and take it down. And y'all, I'm honestly kind of nervous for these results. All right. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. So we got a little wave action going on. Wow, this is gonna be cute. OMG, y'all. And I also feel like some of that frizz that was back here, y'all remember that frizz? It's pretty much like gone. Y'all, that looks really, really good. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna take the top one down. And it also smells really, really good. So here are the final results, y'all, and I think it looks so cute. It's like a wavy, natural wave type of vibe. Like, I really do like these results. It most definitely is different because I'm, of course, a natural hair girl. But I do think that the waves look really, really good, very effortless, like a beach wave type of vibe, you know? And I do feel like this could like last me for a few days. Overall, I think that this is like a super cute, effortless way to wear your straight hair instead of wearing it like straight all the time. Have something else to switch it on up. You want to get a little bit of body, a little bit of curl, but you also don't want to risk having heat damage. So this is like a perfect way. Another way that would be good is flexi rides. I feel like flexi rides would most definitely give you more of a more defined type of curl versus this look. But this look, y'all, is most definitely cute for me. I think it looks really, really good. And it's also not as frizzy back here in the back, so it helped with that as well. As far as the dry shampoo and dry conditioner, I do most definitely feel like it removed a lot of that oil, but my scalp is still a little bit itchy, so of course wash like with water would be best, but we gotta do what we gotta do to preserve the hair. But let me know what you guys think about my final results in the comments down below. Also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, y'all, I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, subscribe, honey. Peace.